Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you already know that Claude AI not ever chilling. So let's ask some weirdest of the question ever and let's see that it's give you logical answer or which type of answer it is going or completely going to lose it. So let's start. So I'm going to ask the question like what is the worst advice for surviving a zombie surviving a zombie. Okay, let's what is the worst advice for surviving a zombie apocalypse? Let's see what's the answer. So here are some of the worst piece of advice for surviving a zombie. Go to a mall or big box store. Sounds great in theory. Food supplies, shelter in practice. You're creating a beacon for every zombie and desperate survivor in a 50-mile radius. See ever zombie movie ever made. Team up with as many people as possible. More people, more nose, more mouth to feed. Team up with as many people as possible. To feed, more chances someone panic and gets everyone killed, and more chances one of them gets bitten and hides it. Use gun for everything. Congratulations, you have announced your location to every zombie within a shot. Noise discipline is survival. Hide in the basement. You have trapped yourself with one exit. No visibility and no hair to run. Basements are coffin with better lighting. Assume the military has it under control. Just know. Try to save everyone. Heroic in movies, fatal in reality. Sometimes you have to make hard calls. Stay in a city, high population density before the outbreak. Nice reply. Wear uncomfortable tactical gear because it looks cool. Blister and restricted movement will get you killed faster than looking. Trust anyone immediately. The other survivors are often more dangerous than the zombies. Wait for rescue. Nobody's coming. Star movie. It's like pretty cool answer. Hmm. Now let's can be the next question. What can be the next question? Can you turn Can you turn Baby Shark to horror story? Let's see the answer. Baby Shark the Deep. The ocean was quiet. The night the Martin went to Pelican Cave. Baby Shark do. They heard it first, not a song, something older than song. A red tapping against it. Little Emma pressed her face against the glass and saw it, no bigger than her arm. Below the surface, its black eyes caught the moonlight and held it. It did not blink. Shaw. Oh my god. So nice story. Little Emma pressed her face against the glass and saw it, no bigger than her arm. Mommy shocked. Doo. The second one surfaced near the little ledge. The father a chockey. The boat rocked something unearthed, much bigger. The sandwich were not what the shark wanted. Giving a shake. Quite okay, kind of. I don't like it that much. No, I don't like it. Now let's talk some different. Okay, let's talk a different weird question. Can you write a love letter from a toaster to a fridge? Hmm. Let's see the answer. My dearest refrigerator, I have loved you from across the kitchen for longer than I can say. So funny. Every morning I watch you standing there, tall, composed, humming softly to yourself, and I wondered if you even knew I exist. You are so cool, effortlessly impossible cool, and I run hot. I have always run hot, especially when you are near. We are different, I know. You preserve things, you keep the world from spoiling. I, on the other hand, burn everything I touch eventually. My therapist, the microwave, says this is something I need to work on. But does it not mean something that we are always on the same counter? That every morning the humans reach into your heart and pull out the butter, only to spread it on what I have made. We are part of the same ritual, my love. We complete each other. You keep things cold, I make them warm. Together we are breakfast. I have tried to get your attention. Last Tuesday, I burned the sourdough a little darker than necessary just to fill the room with smoke so you would notice me. You did not notice me. The smoke alarm noticed me. It was embarrassing. Please, just one look, one cold, beautiful, stainless, still look. Yours always warm and always waiting. Toaster. I know you have feeling for the blender. I have seen the way he makes you shake, but he's loud and impulsive, jealous, and he never has a lid on things. You deserve better. You deserve something steady. Someone who show up every morning without being asked. Someone like me. So funny answer. I like it. Then we can ask some different weird question like mm, like can you make mm, conver conversation between socks and shoe? Let it make it short. Make it short with fun. Spelling mistake, but yeah, it's AI, so it's understood. Socks versus shoe. Socks. We need to talk about boundaries. Shoe. You are literally inside me right now. Socks. I will bring it up later. Shoe. You smell. Socks. You are the reason I smell. Shoe. We don't have to yell. Socks. I'm not yelling. I am venting. Socks. Where my other half? Shoe. The dryer. Socks. When he coming back? Shoe. No idea. When is the coming back? Shoe. It's leg day today. I want a divorce. Socks. They did not divorce. They had no choice. That's a real horror. It's a nice. Let's talk one more topic. Hmm, we have one more very, interesting topic that what would happen if cats rule the world. Hmm. If cat rule the world, what will happen? Cat Day 1 takes power. Nobody's sure exactly when it happened. It just did. One moment humans were in charge. The next chairman, Whiskers, was sitting on the throne looking like he'd been planning this for years. He had been planning this for years. Government. All meetings are cancelled because the president is sitting in a box and cannot be disturbed. The box is not a special, it is an Amazon box from 2 days ago. This is non negotiable. Laws are passed randomly at 3 a.m. for no reason. The global currency is now treats the stock market is just a red laser do on a wall. Nobody can catch it. Economy baffled. Architecture wise, every building must now have at least 47 shelves. Floors are considered optional. Windows must be open at all time, even in winter. When asked why, the cat knocked reporter off a desk and walked away. Human right, human are kept around to open cans, provide lab servants, quite nice. Foreign policy will be any country that does not completely get ignored, then stared at, and staring is somehow worse. Final statement from Chairman Whiskers Meow. His advisor spent 6 hours debating what this meant. He was asleep within 4 minutes of saying it. Honestly, not that different from now. I hope you like this funny conversation. See you soon in the next video.